Hello guys, welcome to Semtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw money from your TOFRO account to your crypto wallet. Okay, so you can withdraw USDT or BTC or Ethereum or any crypto from your TOFRO account to your crypto wallet you want, whether Binance or Bybit or Trust Wallet or Tronlink. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me go to the TOFRO app. Okay, so this is the homepage of the platform. Let me click on the login and let me log in since I already have an account. Okay, so login successfully. Okay, so this is the dashboard of TOFRO platform, TOFRO exchange, and you can see I have 1,631 USDT currently. Okay, so before you can withdraw money from your TOFRO account, you need to first transfer the money from the trade to the exchange. Okay, because the exchange is where we can make the withdrawals. Okay, so the trade is where we trade our signals, okay, from MTS. Okay, so first thing, we need to transfer the money from the trade to the exchange. Okay, so you need to click on this transfer button, then we click on this icon over here, and you can see trade has appeared here and exchange has also appeared here. Okay, so now let me try and withdraw some money. Okay, I will enter 131. I want to withdraw the 131 on this. Okay, so I'll click on transfer to transfer the money from the trade to the exchange. Okay, so I'll click on this confirm button, and you can see I have successfully transferred the money from the trade to the exchange. Okay, so you can see the money is at the exchange right now. Yes, and let me show you guys how to make withdrawals. Okay, so to make the withdrawal, you just need to click on this withdraw button, then you click on select currency, then you select the currency you want to withdraw. I'm using USDT to do the video, so I'll click on USDT. Then you need to make sure you select the network. I mostly use the TRC20 to do my transactions. Okay, so I'll choose the TRC20. Then you click here to enter the address. You can see I have already entered my address over here, but if you're new, you just need to add an address. So you click on this add address, then you select the network, maybe TRC20. Then you go to your crypto wallet. So let's say, let me go to my Binance account and click on this add fund, click on deposit crypto, then click on USDT, then click on this TRC20, then click on this copy to copy the address. You can see the network is TRC20. So when you copy the address, you just come back to the platform, you select the exact network, which is the TRC20, then you enter the address you copied. Okay, so you just enter the address you copied over here, then you click on this recognize to bound your address to the TOFRO account. Okay, so you can see I have already added my address over here. Okay, so now what you have to do is to tap on the address. Okay, and the address will fill over here. So what you have to do now is to click on this all, or you can just type in the amount you want to withdraw over here. Okay, so when you click on this all, you just type the amount here. After that, you just enter your withdrawal password. Okay, so if you have not set your withdrawal password, you just need to click on this your username over here, then you click on account. Okay, account security, then you click on the withdrawal password. Okay, then you set your withdrawal password. Okay, you can see I've already set my withdrawal password. So if you're new, this is the process to set your withdrawal password. Okay, so now let's go back to the withdrawal again, and let me show you guys how to withdraw. Okay, so I'll just choose the address. This is the USDT TRC20. Okay, I'll tap on the address, then click on all because I'm withdrawing all the money. Okay, so I'll just enter my withdrawal password over here, then click on confirm withdrawal. Okay, what you have to do is to click on this withdrawal records, and you will see the withdrawal history. Okay, you will see the withdrawal records. Okay, and you can see it's pending. Okay, the withdrawal is pending right now. So what you have to do is to wait for the money to reflect in your crypto wallet. Okay, now the pending has changed to audited. This means they have seen your withdrawal and they will approve it shortly. Okay, so let's wait for the withdrawal to get disbursed into our crypto wallet. And you can see the audited has also changed to disbursed, meaning I have received the 112 USDT to my account. Okay, so let's check. You can see the notification over here that I have successfully received the 112 USDT to my Binance account. Okay, so if this video helped you to know how to withdraw money from your TOFRO account to your crypto wallet, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.